So, look, we've done it again. Anthony Ford with Kong Armor, lifetime deck armor, the world's toughest deck armor. I'm up here in Lebanon, Ohio, just north of Cincinnati. Deck system here behind me. Deck system, deck, you can call it whatever you want. We just rescued it from peeling deck paint. And we also tore some gazebos off of it, took them down. Hey, let me show you. Look. So we're wrapping this up today. We've come in, excuse the ladder there. We still got a few guys in here doing some touch-ups and things, but just look how gorgeous this deck is right now. I'll get you up here. Peeling paint, rotten boards, an old weathered, dilapidated gazebo was up there on top. I'll show you that here in a second where it was at. We're talking severely weathered wood, loose rails, frayed wood, splinters, thousands of cracks, large cracks in post, anything and everything that an old weathered deck could or would have. This deck here in Lebanon, wow, just gorgeous. This deck here in Lebanon, Ohio, it had, right? So let's start off here. There was a gazebo that was right here, and the customer wanted it gone. It wasn't horrible, but it was older. So day one, we came in, Kong Armor and its deck restoration painters, deck rescue painters. We came in, we took that big gazebo down and we dropped it right here on the deck, cut it up and hauled it off. It's gone. It's at the junkyard. So the customer achieved grabbing that large area of their deck back where that gazebo was sitting. That's number one. Okay. Let's focus now. Let's turn and let's talk about Kong Armor and its ability to lock down and encapsulate peeling deck paint. And boy, oh boy, did this deck here in Lebanon, did it have it bad. Anywhere as far as the eye could see here, you're talking about peeling deck paint everywhere. Kong, a thick build, an ultra tough, high stretch, not deck paint, industrial elastomer that's designed specifically for the encapsulation and the lockdown of peeling deck paint, peeling bare deck over, disintegrating flaking stains. Any of these type of paints or stains that peel and flake off of decks and force deck owners into what we call redecking scenarios, tear down to the frame redecking, or just completely scrapping the whole deck and starting again. And that extreme cost, Kong can encapsulate them, lock them down for life, no sanding, no chemical pills needed, no board flipping needed, none of that silly stuff. It's its specifications, it's its purpose is to encapsulate peeling paints. Simultaneously, it rebuilds old weathered wood, severely weathered wood, that has all the things that we just talked about. It can take old weathered surfaces like that and draw them back out. Well, gorgeous, high, very thick build, what we call synthetic appearance that just leaves deck owners stunned. They can't believe that their peeling deck that was severely weathered is now drop dead gorgeous and beautiful again, right? I'll take you down here, down through here, and kind of show you all this. We've come in and we've hit the outside of this deck here. We're talking 3-4 really thick, heavy coats of Kong Armor, the world's toughest deck armor, and splinter lock technology. Look how pretty. Splinter lock technology, where kids can come out here now, they can touch the deck, they can rub their hands on it, any of that type of stuff. And instead of that old frayed weathered wood that was here, it's an elastomer feel, it's a rubberized feel, and they don't have to worry so much about their babies getting puncture wounds any of that type of stuff, right? So silverback epoxy, it's a filler that we utilize to fill in deck post cracks, to fill in carpenter bee holes, knots, voids, any type of large openings in decks, or any type of something that's ugly that would make our finish look ugly, right? We take this epoxy filler that's called silverback epoxy, and what we do is, if there's a deck post crack, and you got these deck posts down through here, there was just hundreds of them everywhere, right? Well, most deck people that you hire to refinish your deck, paint your deck, stain your deck, they would just come in and paint and stain, and they would leave all those cracks there. But with Kong Armor, we utilize silverback epoxy, and we'll drive it, we'll inject it down into deck post cracks, knife it flat, and then once it cures up 3 to 5 times harder than concrete. And we'll bring in the thick build, the ultra tough Kong, coat over top of it, and it draws these deck posts out to a beautiful synthetic finish, right? Just gorgeous down through here. Let me show you what else I did for these customers here. I came in, I did the underside. So we did the underside of the steps for them, did the backside of the steps for them. Well, it's these small things that you got to pay attention to, right? So my job as the proprietor of Kong Armor is to work with the deck owner and make it to where when we get to the end here, when we've got this super beautiful, gorgeous deck and this customer, they're happy, right? Because we've transformed everything for them. The last thing we want is a customer walking out the back door here. Okay, right here's the door. Walking out, and they see unprotected wood up underneath their steps that look goofy, right? Or they're walking this way and they can see the unprotected wood there that looks goofy, right? And listen, that doesn't take a whole lot of coating. That doesn't take a whole lot of labor. It's not the same as doing a whole deck underside. It's almost like doing a whole nother deck. It's nowhere near that amount. So I had this done for them just so everything matched and looked good, right, when it was finished. Let's switch over and let's talk about Kong Armor's tough film technology as we walk back up the steps. Let's do it. So Kong, it's rated to take on wind-driven rain, sleet, ice, hail, any of that type of stuff, up to hurricane wind speeds and beyond. And this creates a situation where our verticals and even our horizontals, they don't get beat up and destroyed by wind-driven precipitation like other decks do, right? Kong will hang in there tough and put up with that abuse, right? We'll go ahead now. We'll take another look up here and we'll talk about Kong Armor's. Man, this is just gorgeous here from where we were. It's hard to believe that 3 visits ago, this had peeling paint everywhere. And now it's all encapsulated for life and just nowhere to be found. Kong is just an unbelievable encapsulation coating. But we'll talk about the UV block technology of Kong Armor. So Kong, we load it up with the world's best UV blockers, okay? And what it does is the UV rays will come down, and our film has these tiny little microscopic, like mirror-like particles in it throughout. And they catch those UV rays and they deflect them back up in the atmosphere where they belong. They go right back home. 95% of them, right? And that's important because really, I say 95%. That's 90% of your guys' problems with peeling deck paint, is that your guys' paints and stains that you guys use, they're way too thin. They're less than a sheet of notebook paper thick. And the rays can dive right through that, right into the wood or whatever substrate is below the coating. And it obliterates that adhesion layer. Well, we've got the deflectors that deflect 95% of them to start with, right? Secondly, Kong, 30 to 60 times thicker than thin residential deck paints and stains. Any of them that do get through that barrier, they can't get all the way through Kong Armor's thick build film to obliterate that adhesion I'm telling you about and cause that peeling, right? We talk about the other thing that we can talk about here is foot traffic rating. So when you guys are putting here in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, when you guys are painting and staining your decks with thin residential deck paints and stains, do you guys realize that they're not rated for foot traffic? Not rated for foot traffic at all, period. I know the paint manufacturers don't tell you that, but they're not designed to be walked on, as sad as that is, and they're actually deck paints and deck stains, right? Well, we've changed all that. Kong Armor, it's rated for foot traffic, actually designed for the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky families in the Midwest, the United States, right? Rated for foot traffic from humans, from animals. It's game, and it's ready to protect through all that. Bouncing balls, kids coming out here playing. It's the world's toughest deck armor. Fresh new start for this family. So awesome. Just a beautiful fresh start. Look how gorgeous. So now we'll talk finally. So we had peeling paint, rotten boards, severely weathered wood, all that stuff. Kong Armor comes in, fully repairs, restores the deck, removes a gazebo, locks down, encapsulates the peeling paint, brings the old weather surfaces roaring back to life. For life. Huh? What do you mean, for life? That's the cool thing. Kong Armor, the lifetime deck armor system. It's locally backed here in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana for life of ownership. We'll stay with these deck armor system owners now for the whole life, as long as they own this deck. As long as they own the deck, it has our coating system on it, we'll stay with them here locally. Lifetime limited warranty, lifetime service promise. What this means in short form is they never have to do full deck repainting, staining ever again. Think of the savings. They just saved huge avoiding deck replacement. And then as the years tick on, without them having to do full deck painting and deck staining ever again, they get these tiny dividend savings that pile up and become this huge savings. It becomes astronomical, becomes massive. Listen, if you got peeling deck paint, you got severely weathered wood, you got an old, what we call ugly deck leprosy on the verge of replacement, and you want to bring it roaring back to life, for life, and quality, right? There's only one place you should go, and that's kongarmor.com. Get signed up for a free quotation, get lifetime deck armor. And listen, if you don't believe us yet, that's fine. Keep following us. I'll tell you what, like, follow, subscribe, do all that stuff. If you do that, you'll keep seeing that we keep completing these decks, and you'll also see us interacting with our existing system owners. We do videos on that where we prove, hey, we're not joking. We really stay with our system owners for life. We go back and we visit them. All that stuff's on video too. So follow us, follow our brand, follow our company, and maybe one day we can help you. If this video didn't sell you, I get it. I understand, right? Take that action now, and I'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.